Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, welcome back to R.H. Educational channel once again. Dear viewers, do you know how to say parrot in Arabic? Do you know how to say lion in Arabic? Do you know how to say deer in Arabic? Do you know how to say bear in Arabic? If you don't know, you are kindly requested to see this video up to end. Dear viewers, today I came with a useful topic that will be very beneficial for you. So today topic is animals name in Arabic language. So let's begin. So first we know about animal. How to say animals in Arabic? For animal we use in Arabic hayawan. Hayawan means animal. Now see types of animals. Horse. For horse we use in Arabic hisan. Hisan means horse. Now see cow. For cow we use in Arabic baqara. Baqara means cow. Now see giraffe. For giraffe we use in Arabic zarafa. Zarafa means giraffe. Now see eagle. For eagle we use in Arabic nasr. Nasr means eagle. Now see alligator. Alligator we use in Arabic timsahun istiwaiyun. Timsahun istiwaiyun means alligator. Now see snake. For snake we use in Arabic af'a. Af'a means snake. Now see zebra. For zebra we use in Arabic himar wahshin. Himar wahshin means zebra. Now see turkey. For turkey we use in Arabic dikurumi. Dikurumi means turkey. Now see squirrel. For squirrel we use in Arabic sinjab. Sinjab means squirrel. Now see wolf. For wolf we use in Arabic dhi'bun. Dhi'bun means wolf. Now see parrot. For parrot we use in Arabic babghaun. Babghaun means parrot. Now see scorpion. For scorpion we use in Arabic aqrabun. Aqrabun means scorpion. Now see rabbit. For rabbit we use in Arabic arnab. Arnab means rabbit. Now see pigeon. For pigeon we use in Arabic hammama. Hammama means pigeon. Now see ox. For ox we use in Arabic thawrun. Thawrun means ox. Now see rat. For rat we use in Arabic jurzun. Jurzun means rat. Now see goat. For goat we use in Arabic ma'azzun. Ma'azzun means goat. Now see lion. For lion we use in Arabic asad. Asad means lion. Now see owl. For owl we use in Arabic buma. Buma means owl. Now see mosquito. For mosquito we use in Arabic ba'uda. Ba'uda means mosquito. Now see dog. For dog we use in Arabic kalb. Kalb means dog. Now see fox. For fox we use in Arabic tha'lab. Tha'lab means fox. Now see elephant. For elephant we use in Arabic feel. Feel means elephant. Now see fish. For fish we use in Arabic samak. Samak means fish. Now see fly. For fly we use in Arabic dhubaba. Dhubaba means fly. Now see chicken. For chicken we use in Arabic dajaj. Dajaj means chicken. Hen. For hen we use in Arabic dajaja. Dajaja means hen. Now see deer. For deer we use in Arabic dhabiyun. Dhabiyun means deer. Now see crocodile. For crocodile we use in Arabic timsahun. Timsahun means crocodile. Now see crow. For crow we use in Arabic ghurab. Ghurab means crow. Now see camel. For camel we use in Arabic jamal. Jamal means camel. Now see cat. For cat we use in Arabic qittun or hizza. Qittun or hizza means cat. Now see ant. For ant we use in Arabic namla. Namla means ant. Now see monkey. For monkey we use in Arabic qirdun. Qirdun means monkey. Now see donkey. For a donkey we use in Arabic himarun. Himarun means donkey. Now see beer. For beer we use in Arabic dubbun. Dubbun means beer. Now see bee. For bee we use in Arabic nakhla. Nakhla means bee. Now see bird. For bird we use in Arabic tayrun. Tayrun means bird. Now see buffalo. For buffalo we use in Arabic jamus. Jamus means buffalo. Now see butterfly. For butterfly we use in Arabic farrasha. Farrasha means butterfly. Now see lizard. For lizard we use in Arabic sahliya. Sahliya means lizard. So this is enough for today. I hope you understood very well animal name in Arabic language through this video. So see you again with a new topic inshallah in next class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.